How do single, double, and triple blinding work in clinical research? Imagine going to a restaurant where the chef and the waiter both know what dish you ordered, but you do not. This setup can influence how you feel about the meal. In clinical research, similar ideas about knowing or not knowing treatments are used to keep results fair. Let's explore how this works with single, double, and triple blinding. In a single blind study, only the patient does not know if they are getting the real treatment or a placebo, which is a fake treatment that looks the same. The doctors or researchers know what each patient is receiving. This helps prevent the patient from changing their behavior or feeling better just because they think they are getting the real thing. But since the doctors know, they might treat patients differently or interpret results in a way that favors the treatment. Double blinding takes it further. Now, neither the patient nor the doctor knows who is getting the real treatment or the placebo. This setup reduces bias even more because the doctors cannot influence the results, and patients cannot be influenced by what they think they are getting. Double-blind studies are very common in drug trials, especially when testing new medicines. They help ensure that the results are more trustworthy because neither side can affect the outcome based on what they know. Triple blinding adds one more layer. It keeps the people who analyze the data and interpret the results unaware of who received which treatment. So, the patient, the doctor, and the data analysts all do not know the treatment assignments. This extra step helps prevent bias from influencing how the data is interpreted or reported. It's less common because it requires more planning and effort, but it makes the results even more reliable. Understanding how blinding works can help you see how scientists try to make clinical trials fair and accurate. If you join a trial that is single-blind, you won't know your treatment, but the doctors will. In double-blind trials, neither of you will know, which gives stronger proof about how well the treatment works. Triple blinding adds an extra layer of fairness by also hiding the treatment details from the data analysts. Some trials cannot be blinded, like surgeries or physical therapies, because it's obvious what treatment is given. In those cases, researchers use other ways to reduce bias. Knowing what type of blinding a trial uses can help you understand how trustworthy the results are. Blinding is a key part of making sure clinical trials give honest answers about new treatments, helping patients and doctors make better choices.